So right next to the main stage, you can find Holcros and Phil to tell us more about it. Hi, Phil.
Hello.
So what is it that Holcros does?
What we do is we provide solutions to construction workers or anybody who has a requirement for off-grid power. So the idea is we sell Gold Zero power stations, which also are generators. You can hold power within the power stations, or what you can do is link them to solar panels or to vehicles and actually generate your own electricity, therefore saving money on electricity, which is incredibly expensive at the minute. Also, the zero emission and silent running.
Ah, okay, and are these some of the generators in front of us?
Yes, they are, yes. So at the minute, these are purely power banks, so there's nothing to generate the electricity, but as I said, what you can do is actually attach leads to either the 12-volt adapter socket into a vehicle, or you can actually wire these up in a van to the alternator, and the excess power that the alternator generates in a vehicle will charge these. Or again, you can use solar panels to charge these power packs again to save a lot of expenditure on electricity.
And I should imagine there's been a big drive towards sort of this kind of technology over the last couple of years. Have you noticed a difference?
We've noticed a huge increase. We started off in the leisure industry, so selling these to campers, caravanners, motorhomers who wanted something that could power mobile phones or computers and laptops, that sort of thing, or even TVs if they're a way to kind of provide the home comforts. But the more that people have realised that, first of all, petrol and the fuel generators are very noisy, they give out a lot of emissions.